We're less than 3 hours away from the polls closing in the Pennsylvania primary, and some polling places in Philadelphia experienced a few hiccups today. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Petrillo is live in Northern Liberties with more on that. Hi, Matt.
Hey, Jessica, good afternoon to you. Behind me at the polling place here at the Northern Liberties Community Center is a good example of the elections going well. You can see these people handing out campaign literature. They're keeping 10 feet away from the door. That's the law here in Pennsylvania. Inside, there's been a steady stream of voters, and the machines are working properly, but that has not been the case everywhere.
It was very important to get out and vote today.
A steady stream of people are now filing into the polling place here at the Academy at Palumbo in South Philadelphia. But these two voting machines were not properly working at the start of the day. John Rose was there as the judge of elections tried to handle the situation.
They came out and told me that the machines were broke down and telling people to come back later to vote.
Eventually, paper ballots were used for an hour and a half.
I got South Philly pretzels and water for anybody.
Over at the polling place at the Mummers Museum in South Philly, some were decked out in their election best.
I always wear "We the People" because it's so important. We are the people, it's our government, and this is the way we have a say in our government.
In Philadelphia, the Democratic primary for mayor is getting most of the attention. Jim Kenney is running for his second term. He voted today at the Painted Bride Arts Center in Center City. He faces a challenge from State Senator Anthony Williams, who voted today here in West Philly.
Today is election day. Selection day, correction day, that we keep saying.
Former City Controller Alan Bukovitz is also running for mayor. He voted at St. Thomas Church in the Northeast. The winner will take on the Republican challenger, but no incumbent mayor has lost an election in Philly in at least 60 years.
I think a lot of Philadelphians do not understand that the primary is the election. 80% of us are Democrats, and who we pick in the primary really are the people who are going to get chosen in November.
And another big race to watch out for is all 17 city council seats here in Philadelphia are open. We have more on that coming up on Eyewitness News at 6. Reporting live in Northern Liberties, Matt Petrillo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Matt, thank you. For a complete voting guide, visit our website, cbsphilly.com. And once the polls close, stay with us on air and online for the results.